Okay, so we're all wrapped up here with our paver restoration project. Let me walk you around and show you what it looks like. Okay, look at the difference on that driveway. It's absolutely amazing. Shine and sheen, colors all back. We got all these tinted, sparkling clean now. Just amazing difference. Got 2 coats of Hurricane Cat 5 on this. Tan sand. It's absolutely beautiful. Walkway, all the colors back on that. It's amazing. We sealed all the wall caps here as well. And the full deck, we use cyclone and pearl sand up here on the pool deck. Want it to keep that white, bright white shine to it. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. And the steps. All the color back on the steps. Pretty amazing transformation for sure. And the walkway down here, going down to the dock. And we also sealed these stepping stones and the rocks in between. You can see the difference with the next door neighbor's rocks. Same rocks, just we treated this, we sealed these, make them all blend in. Stepping stones as well. They're all stained, but they certainly look better. Little rock garden. Yeah. And then we had the balconies up top. We stained and sealed those as well. Okay. Alright, so coming down off the front entrance, the driveway. Looks absolutely phenomenal. A lot of the neighbors came across and started asking for cards. Yeah, it looks fabulous. It's absolutely beautiful. Alright, well, this is Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing Paver Sealing. If these are the kind of results you're looking for on your pavers, if there's something that needs to be done that's outside of the normal realm, just give us a call. You don't necessarily have to replace the pavers every time. We can take old pavers and make them look like new again. So, alright, this is Bill with Supreme Paver Sealing and Pressure Washing. You can give us a call at 813-853-3557. Thanks and have a great day.